So what is new AI Denoise feature in Lightroom Classic? Where to find it, why you may not have it, and what to do actually to have it, what are main recommendations from Adobe, how to use this feature, all this in this video, so if you're interested, just launch your Lightroom Classic and let's find out. So let's answer on the first question, where is actually located this Denoise feature. You need to open your photo in Lightroom Classic, then open Develop section and click on Detail subsection. Here down below you will find Noise Reduction section and Denoise button. So actually this is where you can find this Denoise feature. But what to do if you don't see this? Let's find out. The new AI Denoise feature was launched in a new version of Lightroom Classic in version 12.3. For this you need to check if your Lightroom Classic version is up to date. To check this, just click on the Help button in the top menu bar and choose System Information. Here you will find your current Lightroom Classic version, and if you don't have 12.3, you will need to update it. Actually, how to update it? Okay, let's find out. If you have Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer, it is easy to make through this application. In All Apps section, it shows you which application you have downloaded and installed on your computer. From the left menu bar, choose All Apps and scroll down to check if your installed applications are updated. For example, in my option Illustrator need updating. If you will have the same title next to your Lightroom Classic version that is up to date in my option, you just have to click Update Available and Update button, which will automatically launch the updation. And be sure to be not logged in into the software at this moment and just wait a little bit until your software will be updated. Okay, so when you updated your Lightroom Classic version and you already see this Denoise feature, let's click on this button and let's see what it offers us. First slider that you will see for sure, it's amount of the denoise that Lightroom Classic offer you to set up. At the default, it stays 50, and I would recommend you to follow with this default for the beginning at least, just to see the results and understand if this is enough or not enough for you. The second moment, you can check before and after of your photo, like a preview, just clicking on the photo on the square with the left mouse button and see before and after. So this is without enhance, my beautiful photo, and this is already after. You can click on this minus icon to see the whole photo. Also with left mouse button, just click on the square and again you will see the photo close up. You can click and drag the photo just to discover different areas of your photo. How does it look like? Really, I enjoy already at 50 points how my photo looks like. Also you can see the estimated time of the denoising. In my option it takes 6 minutes, but in your option it may take 1 minute, so it's okay. And be sure to click on this checkbox Create Stack, which will create a separate photo in DNG format that will be next to your original photo, and you will be able to click from one photo to another to see the difference and in the same time to keep the original photo untouched. Another very important moment, before you click on this Enhance button down below, be sure you didn't use any other AI features in the Lightroom Classic as masking or as content aware features, that is healing or removing something on the photo. Adobe team recommends to use Denoise feature before applying all other tools in Lightroom Classic because it may influence on the results you already reached. So just to keep everything organized, be sure to use Denoise feature at the beginning of your editing process. So let's click Enhance button and let's see what results we will get. So from the top left corner you can see how is going on the process. It shows creating DG using Denoise. So our image is ready and it's already denoised. As you can see, it looks very smooth, but how to check before and after? Click on this arrow down below where you will see all files. Click on this icon that shows 2, which means that inside these 2 files, double click on it and you will see your original image and denoised image. Let's make it closer to see the before and after more obviously. And this is after and this is before. Looks pretty amazing and I really love the results. But from the right menu bar, you already can see that option Denoise is not available for you anymore because you already use it on this photo. So Adobe team says that it can be used only once, but I will show you a little trick. For example, if you feel that your photo may look much better, or maybe you did too much of Denoise and you want to come back to the previous option, you can click Ctrl-Z combination on your keyboard and the Denoise feature will be again available for the using. So this shortcut allows you to make a step back in your editing process and repeat the same action once again, which is pretty useful on my opinion. And this is all for today. Thank you very much for watching till the end. Please let me know in comments down below if you already used this feature and how did you enjoy the final results, because I simply in love with it and plan to use it very often. And put a big like to this video if you really enjoyed the information I share. And of course subscribe on this channel because I will be very happy to share with you new editing tutorials in the future and want you to stay in touch with them. And thank you very much. Stay in touch. See you very soon. Bye bye.